Now we've taken a look at some of the principles that control a good fly cast. So let's try and put all this together into an actual overhead cast. First of all, we must remember to eliminate slackline. If you have slackline on the water in front of you, simply come back to the roll cast, make a roll cast and lower the rod tip right down to the surface. Now I have a straight line, I have the rod tip near the surface, and I'm ready to make a back cast. What I do is I start slowly, accelerating all through the casting stroke and stopping the rod in a crisp stop at approximately a 2 o'clock position, as if I was standing in a clock face. Let me show you that again. Once again, I'll just straighten out my line with a roll cast. Rod tip close to the surface, a straight line. I start with a slow movement, constantly accelerating through my casting stroke and coming to a crisp stop. Then I make the pause to allow the line to straighten behind me. And then I make my forward cast in the exact same way. I start slow, I accelerate into a crisp stop, allowing the line to roll out over the water and to land. So once again, the roll cast, a slow acceleration, a stop, a pause, and back. That is the basic pick up and lay down overhead cast. I pick the line up, I accelerate, stop, pause, accelerate, stop again, and the line is back on the water. It's very important that you right from the beginning pay attention to your back cast. It's important that you make this crisp stop in your back cast at the 2 o'clock position, roughly, in order to form a good tight loop on the back cast. Because a good back cast is always necessary if you want to make a good forward cast. So it looks like this. That good back cast is simply formed by adhering to these essentials that I've gone over before. The elimination of the slack line, the proper acceleration of the rod, the stop and the pause to allow the line to extend fully behind me before I make the forward cast.